Hi everyone, my name is Gabby Taylor and I'm doing my technique demonstration on grounding. Grounding is a technique that is utilized to increase mindfulness, awareness of self, helping you to remain present to your sensations, your feelings, your emotions, the energies in your body. It's a very useful technique for individuals who are experiencing any overwhelming feelings that they're not able to cope with, related to anxiety, stress, um, any type of trauma, flashbacks, dissociation as a result of feeling those things. And so the grounding technique is used to help bring you back into the present rather than avoiding these feelings so that they can be addressed. There's many different ways to engage in the grounding technique. And the technique that I'm going to focus on is the 5-4-3-2-1. So the main thing to focus on with the 5-4-3-2-1 are objects in the room. So you could be in any room. It could be your favorite room in the house. You could be in your office space. You could be at your therapist's office. You could even be in your vehicle. You just need to make sure that first you have a comfortable seating because you don't want the focus to be on how you feel in your seat necessarily if you're uncomfortable. So you want to make sure that you're comfortable because you want to get into a state in which you're able to relax. So once you are in a comfortable space, you're going to begin by closing your eyes and taking a few deep cleansing breaths, counting from 1 all the way up to 3. Continue to focus on your breathing. And the slow release of each breath. You're then going to open your eyes and select 5 objects that you immediately see. You're going to name them aloud. I can see my television. I can see my lamp. I can see the picture frame on my wall. I can see the pillow on my sofa. I can see the floral comforter across the floor. We then would move on to the 4 items. The 4 items are going to be things that you feel that you would name aloud. So, for example, you say, I feel my feet warm in my socks. I can feel the air from the air conditioning vent on my face. You could say that I feel the cushion of the pillow behind my back. I feel the hair on the back of my neck. Okay. We're next moving on to 3. You're going to listen for 3 sounds. Again, the point of this is to increase your awareness of things you may not have noticed in this room before. So, for example, if I'm sitting in my living room with no distractions and complete silence, there's always sounds that I've noticed that I haven't noticed before. So, for example, it could be the sound of the cars driving by the development outside. It could be the sound of your neighbors next door or above you upstairs. It could even be the sound of your stomach rumbling because you're hungry. Things of that nature. Um, the next thing you would do is move on to the smell sense. So you're going to name out loud 2 things that you can smell. So you could say you smell the coffee going down the hallway, or you can smell the essential oil in the diffuser. Um, you could even smell maybe cookies being baked or a perfume a person may have been wearing. something like that. And then the final thing would be to name one thing that you can taste. And for this part, even if you don't have any taste on your tongue that you can connect with or recall, it could be something that is your favorite thing to taste because, again, you're still trying to bring your focus to these five senses, things that are going to bring you to a state of relaxation. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go through the demonstration one more time now that I've described everything and do this as if I'm doing it by myself without having the explanation, okay? I see a wooden chair. I see the beige carpet. I see a jigsaw puzzle. I see the TV screen. I see an extension cord. I feel a slight breeze coming from the door next to me. I feel slight mist from the air freshener that just sprayed. I feel the warmth of the blanket on my lap. I feel the goosebumps on my legs. I hear a car backing into the parking spot outside. I hear the sound of the children running around upstairs. And I can hear the tapping of the hot water heater. I can smell the pumpkin candle burning. I can smell the carpet freshener. It smells like Hawaii breeze. I can taste the mintiness from the gum I had a few minutes ago. And we end with one cleansing breath. So I hope this is helpful for you guys.